Story 18. Story of Four Friends. Once upon a time, in a small town, there were four friends named Jack, Sarah, Mike, and Emily. They had known each other since childhood and were inseparable. Despite coming from different backgrounds, they shared a strong bond of friendship. Jack came from a humble family and had a natural talent for music. He played the guitar and dreamed of becoming a famous musician someday. Sarah, on the other hand, had a passion for art and spent most of her time painting beautiful landscapes. Mike was a science enthusiast, always curious about how things worked, while Emily loved books and aspired to be a writer. Although they had big dreams, their families were not well off. They lived in a modest neighborhood and faced financial constraints. However, they refused to let their circumstances hold them back. One day, they came up with an idea to combine their talents and pursue their dreams together. They decided to create a band, with Jack on the guitar, Sarah providing artwork for their album covers, Mike using his scientific knowledge to enhance their performances, and Emily writing heartfelt lyrics for their songs. They practiced relentlessly, turning their small garage into a makeshift studio. Jack wrote captivating melodies, while Emily poured her emotions into the lyrics. Sarah's artwork added a visual touch to their music, and Mike used his scientific experiments to create special effects for their live shows. The band started performing at local events and gradually gained recognition. People were captivated by their unique blend of music, art, and innovation. Their popularity grew, and they began receiving invitations to perform at larger venues. As their talent shone through, the band caught the attention of a music producer. Impressed by their creativity and dedication, the producer offered him a record deal. This was a turning point for the friends as their dreams were finally within reach. With the producer's guidance, the band recorded their first album, which became an instant hit. Their music touched the hearts of many, and they started performing in concerts around the country. Their lives took a drastic turn as they went from struggling artists to recognized musicians. As their success grew, so did their financial stability. They were no longer burdened by the limitations of their past. They were able to support their families and pursue their passions without worry. But amidst the fame and fortune, they remained grounded. They remembered their roots and the value of their friendship. They used their platform to raise awareness about social issues and donated a portion of their earnings to charitable causes. Years passed, and the band became an inspiration to aspiring artists. Their story reminded people that with friendship, determination, and a belief in oneself, dreams can come true, regardless of one's background. And Sir Jack, Sarah, Mike, and Emily continued their journey together, spreading joy through their music and proving that true friendship can conquer all obstacles. Their story became a testament to the power of unity and the pursuit of dreams, leaving a lasting impact on those who followed their extraordinary journey. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your English, subscribe to our channel, Listen English Story with GKS.